Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an additional account in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to switch between work, school, or personal accounts seamlessly without signing out, making it easier to keep your chats, meetings, and notifications organized. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your PC or laptop. If your app looks different from what you see here, or menus don't match, it's a good idea to update to the latest version. Next, look at the top right corner of Teams for your profile icon. This is the small circle showing either your photo or initials. Click on it to open your account menu, where you manage your status and connected accounts. In this menu, find the small icon with a person and a plus sign. This is the Add Account option. Click it. If you don't see it, your app may need an update or your organization may have disabled multiple accounts. If needed, close Teams, check for updates, or contact your admin. After clicking the Add Account icon, select Use Another Account. Teams will prompt you to sign in. Enter the email and password for the account you want to add. Complete any required verification, such as two-factor authentication. Once signed in, your new account will appear alongside your original one. Switching between accounts is simple. Open your profile menu and you'll see both accounts listed. Click the account you want to use and Teams will switch to its chats, meetings, and notifications. Each account keeps its own status, so you can be available in one while on Do Not Disturb in another. That's it! You've successfully added another account to Microsoft Teams and can switch between them whenever you like. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.